Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious pumpkin pie with an easy guide. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need one 15-ounce can of pumpkin puree, one 12-ounce can of evaporated milk, and 2 large eggs. Don't forget your spices: 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Finally, grab a 9-inch pie crust. Now let's get to mixing. In a large bowl, combine your pumpkin puree, evaporated milk, and 2 large eggs. Add 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar. Next, whisk in your 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Mix until everything is smooth and evenly combined. Carefully pour this delicious filling into your 9-inch pie crust. It's time to bake. Place your filled pie onto a baking sheet. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for the first 15 minutes. Then, reduce the oven temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and continue baking for another 45 to 50 minutes. The pie is ready when a knife inserted about 1 inch from the crust comes out clean. This ensures a perfectly set and creamy texture. Once baked, let your pumpkin pie cool completely on a wire rack for at least 2 hours. For the best flavor and texture, I recommend chilling it in the refrigerator for several hours, or even overnight. Serve with a dollop of whipped cream or a scoop of vanilla ice cream for an extra special treat. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to make your life easier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.